So this children's hair collection, basically, again, it started in my kitchen. My baby was having a hard time with his hair growing. So in the back of his head, of course, you have to lay kids down in on their back when they're young, obviously for safety reasons, for breathing. But one of the things that we do a lot of times, we don't think about having satin covers or things of that sort, soap covers. So we just lay them down and then we rub their hair out in the back of their head. So when I was noticing that his hair started thinning, I went in the kitchen, I made a natural hair serum that worked, and it worked in about 2 weeks. So again, I got the pharmacist to help me, and the chemist actually stepped in on this one when it came to kids. Then we got it over to a sterile compounding pharmacy. So that is how our children's collection actually got started. Again, it has to be natural and safe for kids. I started this collection at 2 months. So because I know it was safe at 2 months, that is where we started the safety recommendations for this product, because I wasn't able to research it at a younger age. And I really don't think I noticed the problem until about 2 months. I noticed hair growth at least by 3 months, and I made a simple batch inside of my kitchen. So the adult hairline was the natural thing I had basically wanted to do, but this product line is what I had to do because I seen so many kids with the problem. Now, these products can be utilized. We take 1 milliliter in a circular motion and we massage it into the scalp itself, not the hair, and we can do that twice a day. Doing that twice a day, you will have results in 30 days. It smells like peach. And the reason it has a peach smell is because I'm in Georgia. So we made the scent as a Georgia peach with our children's collection. I hope you love it. It does come in 60 milliliters. It should last about 3 months. So affordable, safe for kids, and it smells amazing.